Welcome, budding billionaires, to the digital realm where artificial intelligence meets real estate. Do you hear that? It's the future knocking on your door. Ready to step into the world of AI and learn how to create your very own billionaire brand leveraging AI tools? Buckle up because this journey is going to be nothing short of a roller coaster ride, filled with fun, laughter, and lots of learning. Imagine being able to harness the power of AI to strike that perfect chord between creativity and efficiency. Wouldn't that be fantastic? In this course, you'll unlock the secrets of AI tools, especially chatgpt. You'll understand why they are an essential part of your business toolkit, and how to use them for accelerating research success and improving your leadership and management skills. What if we told you that chatgpt can be your golden ticket to making money online? You can analyze best practices for integrating chatgpt into your organizational processes and learn how to monetize your research. It's like having your cake and eating it too. But that's not all, folks. This course will take you beyond the mechanics of AI and into the mindset of a billionaire. You'll learn to apply billionaire mindset processes to create your unique billionaire brand with chatgpt and AI tools. Ready to conquer the world? Then, let's dive in. Remember, even chatgpt started from the bottom, and now it's here. So, if an AI can make it, so can you. Let's roll up our digital sleeves and get to work, shall we? By the end of this course, you'll know what chatgpt is, why artificial intelligence is important, how to use chatgpt research to create a successful brand, when to use chatgpt to make the most impact to build your billionaire brand, and build with trending chatgpt news together. So, billionaire in the making, get ready to learn, laugh, and leap into the future with us. For digital marketing help, please visit https://www.cochangemarketing.com.